Hey everyone, I'm David.
And I'm Lauren, and we're super excited. Today we're talking to you guys about the GLAMGLOW Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution Toner that some of you guys might be getting in your August Play by Sephora box.
Which is so exciting.
But there are a lot of myths out there about toners, so we're gonna play a little game.
Little game show time.
Yep, this is the David and Lauren game show.
Contestants, are you ready?
All right, number 1, true or false? Toners don't do anything.
What do you guys think? Shout it out. Shout it to your friends. Shout it to your dog. What do you think is happening with toners? Yeah.
False. Toners actually have a lot of benefits for your skin, from prepping your pores to rebalancing your skin. And this one specifically has clay and charcoal in it, which is awesome to minimize the look of pores.
And detoxifies the skin.
Totally.
It's great. And it's just, they're refreshing.
Yeah.
I feel like a toner is a great way to refresh your skin during your skincare routine to make it prepped for that moisturizer and serum and all that stuff that you're about to apply. It's like a nice little kickstart to your skin. All right, contestants, are you ready for question number 2? If your toner is tingling, it's a good thing. Actually, it is. It's true. It's a good thing. I was falsifying my face and my emotions to trick you because I wanted to know if you really knew the answer to this. This particular toner from GLAMGLOW, the Super Toner, has a Super 6 acid complex blend that's really good at exfoliating the skin, which is something that you're gonna wanna feel that tingle. That lets you know it's working. Exactly. So don't fall into that sort of fear that when something tingles, it's a bad reaction. Because in this case, with a toner like this, you actually want that. It's very good and it's actually doing its job.
Yep. All right, guys, myth number 3. True or false? You can only apply a toner with a cotton pad.
I love it.
So false.
So false.
There are a lot of ways that you guys can apply your toner, whether it is a cotton pad, whether it's your hands, or a mister.
I love that. I love a mister because most toners are a very watery liquid formula. And it's so refreshing to have it in a mister and just spritz it evenly over your whole skin and let it do its job. It's a great idea.
Totally. And then with the GLAMGLOW Super Toner, I like to use a cotton pad to get that targeted treatment here.
Well, especially because it's got the charcoal in it. So if you have an oily T-zone, it's a great way to really work into sort of strategic control of your pores on your T-zone.
Yep, and helping to exfoliate.
Okay, contestants, are you ready for question number 4? A toner and an essence are the same thing. Well, the answer is false. They are not the same thing at all. In fact, they're totally different. A toner, like we said, is really focused on clarifying the skin, helping with the minimization of pores, refreshing the skin, whereas an essence tends to be focused on additional hydration into your skincare routine. So if you are looking at a product that's an essence and a toner, you do not have to choose between the two. In fact, you should look at how to incorporate both successfully into your skincare routine, especially when it comes to a toner like the GLAMGLOW Super Toner that has those exfoliating properties. It's great because that's gonna actually remove the top layer of dead skin cells, which is going to allow your essence to actually work better and penetrate deeper for hydration into your skin.
Totally.
So they work beautifully together.
All right, contestants, final round, true or false? You guys are officially as obsessed with the GLAMGLOW Super Toner as we are.
True! So until next time, guys, try out your toner, fall in love with it just as much as we have, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.